doing a little staycation at the Pearl Hotel in San Diego. I really want to give you a little backstory about the hotel because it's honestly such a cool place to stay. It was originally built in 1959, and the Pearl was designed by the famous San Diego architect Robert J. Platt. Back in the day, it was known as the Motel for Frank Nasso, or the Sportsman's Lounge, and was owned by the husband and wife duo Charles and Denora. Fast forward to 2020 and the Pearl got a stunning makeover thanks to the Casita Group. If you're wondering, what's a casita? Casita means little house in Italian, and they're all about bringing new life into boutique hotels. You may have heard of some of their other properties like Casa Cody in Palm Springs, the Surfrider in Malibu, or Hotel Willa in New Mexico. So after the redesign, the Pearl became this beautiful mix of mid-century modern vibes. Think mixed materials and textures, geometric lines, and bold accent colors. It kind of feels like you're stepping into like this 1960s time capsule, but more modern. Just 23 rooms, the Pearl Hotel is like this little hidden gem in San Diego. We're staying in the mini Pearl room. It's honestly like so cute and cozy and perfect for a quick overnight stay. If you're kind of feeling a little bit more fancy or traveling with more people, I definitely recommend checking out other options like the classic Pearl all the way to the spacious Pearl Suite. One of the Pearl's coolest inspirations comes from Japan's Ama divers. These fearless women would dive up to 30 feet underwater wearing nothing but a loincloth in search of precious pearls. You'll find nods to them in your room's artwork, and here's a fun little detail. The pool is actually shaped like an oyster and filled with salt water as a tribute to their legacy. The fleet continues to ensure that San Diego is the premier destination for sport fishermen throughout the world. I don't know what sport fishing is, do you? Point Loma would be like that way. So I feel like that should be like downtown area, but I feel like we'll have to look on the map because I'm not quite sure. established as a brewing empire which excelled during the early 1900s and discreetly endured the trials and tribulations of the Prohibition. 100 years after the first family brewery was established in Brooklyn, New York, they're now here in San Diego, which is really cool. So, I don't know if this works or not. I haven't done this yet. Heading back to the Pearl Hotel. Very cool. Ew. How'd you enjoy your evening? It was bad. It was tongue face. I didn't think it was tongue face. I thought it was an enjoyable experience.
Oh, you're recording.
Oysters. We'll do 3 deviled eggs. Maybe 2? 2 of these? Sounds good. Cool. Cheers. I like that better than the oyster shooter. Good egg dance.
I feel like the concept here is definitely like all American.
Like 1960s.
Like hot dogs and PBR.
I like the $1 menu. I like how you get a lot of oysters for $1.
Yeah, because back in the day it would be a $1 menu.
The fisherman's catch ceviche, which has a clamato aspect in it, which is what the little jelly thing in the middle is. Like that thing right there. But it looks delicious. Blue chips.
Ooh, that's fun. Yeah, that's good. That's good.